to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make vegan Tex-Mati rice. Okay, for our vegan Tex-Mati rice, we're going to use olive oil, chana dal, garlic, onion. This is the Tex-Mati rice which we bought. Then some split peas or lentils and water. Okay, we're going to start a vegan Tex-Mati rice with some nice oil. Let the oil get heated up good. Okay, so our oil is nice and hot. So to this you're going to add this onion, nicely brown this onion with some garlic. I want the flavor to be of the onion to this pilaf rice. Okay, so you see the onion and the garlic is nicely kind of brown. To this I'm going to add my lentil, both my lentils, and saute it a little bit. So what happens is the oil goes on this lentils and doesn't cook it too much. To this I'm going to add my adequate amount of salt. Okay, generous amount of salt to taste. Just swirl it a little bit, let it cook for maybe 1 minute on a high heat, and now I'm going to add my water to it. Okay, so now this is how I put my water. This is 4 cups of water to 3 cups of rice. So always take the measurements right. Okay, so when our water has come to a boil, this is where I washed this rice, removed all the starch, and soaked it for about 15 minutes or so, and that's when I'm gonna add the rice in. Okay, this is what I do. So I added the rice. This now I'm going to cook this on high heat till all the water is evaporated. Okay, so as you see, this is now high heat. All the water is evaporated. Give it another half a minute. And what I'm going to do is just like this and put it on low heat and keep it covered for 20 minutes. Okay, let's open out our vegan Tex-Mati rice. Look at that, it has steamed. That's what I followed the recipe, 20 and 10 minutes. Now just slowly fluff it up. Look at that. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel, and visit us on our food blog, thetopperchef.com. Happy cooking!